great counting scale delivers both accuracy and convenient operation. The global leader in precision instruments and weighing equipment, Mettler Toledo, brings the two together in its ICS241 counting scale.
This modern design counting scale contains AC/DC dual power mode capability. It allows for convenient and efficient operation and will satisfy every customer.
The full information can be found on the highlighted LCD display.
The ICS241 has a variety of display modes. Make the operation easier and faster.
It has strong data exchange capabilities and allows for the reduction of human error. You can also get article information such as box tear, average piece weight, or article name by connecting via a serial-port barcode scanner.
An important new feature of the ICS241 is its weighing management system. All weighing data can be saved in a SD card. To view the data, simply insert the SD card into your PC, and a clear Excel data table will appear. You will never need to worry about the accuracy and traceability of information again.
In addition, we can provide customized label printing template services. You no longer need to use a PC to connect to the printer. The print templates can be saved in an SD card. After weighing, the data on the template will be sent to the printer, effectively increasing your productivity and lowering maintenance costs.
The ICS241 is a great value for your production management and quality control. It is Mettler Toledo's brand promise to improve your efficiency.